Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Ralph Eats with my guest host,
Thea.
All right, so we have something interesting, okay? Well, first of all, here's a little video of Tia cooking some hot pot.
These you just dip in there when you're ready. I really like peas. We'll try it out. I've never put peas in here, but we'll try it out.
That was delicious. She knows how to cook a good hot pot. Sorry I didn't do a video on it. I just did the bourbon challenge with Mike. And then I got wasted and I got chocolate wasted today. So I was a little tired. But now I'm good. And we're doing something very interesting. I have never seen or heard of this. Have you?
Mm-mm.
Have you ever heard of a yellow watermelon? It's a Thai thing, I think they told us, right?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think they told us from Thailand.
All right.
I'm gonna have you do the honor since she was already cooking, trying to cut this stuff up earlier. Don't do no Lorena Bobbitt.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Whoa.
I don't know.
Okay.
It looks ripe.
Yeah, it doesn't look. What else? Well, she wants to scoop it, so I'm gonna give her that piece.
I'm not going to scoop it.
You're not gonna scoop it? She wants to scoop it. All right, so let's cut up.
It's seeded.
Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of weird. It's still red inside.
We'll see how sweet it is.
It's pretty sweet.
It's pretty sweet.
It does not look like it would be this good. I'm surprised.
It's pretty sweet, but I think the one that we got is a little bit overripe. But it actually tastes pretty good. The sweet is not overbearing. And it's not undersweet either.
Let's get them now. Look at this. Wow. Very surprised, guys. Never had a yellow watermelon. And it's delicious. I mean, like you said, it might be a little bit past its time. But surprisingly still, for not being, I don't think it's time for watermelons either. We're talking about February, summertime, but this is from Thailand, so.
The weather's pretty hot over there at this, actually, yeah, it's nice weather. Nice weather, I mean.
Wow, this is surprisingly good, guys. We're not going to give it a rating because it'd be kind of hard to rate, but.
Well, I can rate it compared to a normal watermelon, I suppose.
Let me rate it this way. Would you buy it again?
Yes, I will.
Yeah. It's pretty good. I definitely would want to buy this so my friends can try, because yellow watermelon.
Yum.
Yum, yum, yum. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Ralph Eats. Cup of tea.